here that has allergies?
Who was down here messing with Ian and Kristen?
There's somebody down here. Can you knock on one of these tanks?
Was that you?
Okay.
Is that you?
Well, I'm backing away from it.